In this video, I'm going to show you how to access the Equinix Customer Portal and the Equinix Fabric Portal through a new and reimagined Consolidated portal experience. I'm logged into the Equinix Fabric Portal and here is the current landing page. In order to navigate to the Customer Portal at any time, all you have to do is click on this icon here and select Customer Portal. Please note that upon your first login, you will see a welcome message to highlight the new navigational capabilities. If at any point you want to go back to the Fabric portal, click on this hamburger menu on the top left-hand corner and select the Fabric and Network Edge option. At any given point, the user's existing permissions will be enforced in this new streamlined experience across both the portals. Now, let's consider an example where an existing user of the Customer portal does not have permissions to the Equinix Fabric portal. All the user has to do is log in to the Equinix Fabric portal with their existing credentials and request access by clicking here. That concludes this demo. Thanks for watching.